Developing effective English is not only about speaking better, it is also about building confidence, improving your understanding, and becoming a clear communicator in daily life. English is a global language, and millions of people use it every single day for jobs, education, travel, technology, and communication. But most people think English is difficult. They think fluency needs perfect grammar or big vocabulary. In reality, English can become simple when you follow the right method. In this video, I am going to guide you step by step in very easy English. 1. How to develop strong and effective English skills. You can use these methods even if you are a complete beginner or if you already know basic English and want to improve faster. Everything I explain today is practical, realistic, and beginner friendly. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. Imagine that you and I are learning together like close friends. If you want to improve English, this video can become your turning point. Part 1. Why effective English matters. We are living in a world where English is almost everywhere. If you open your phone, you see English. If you watch movies or use social media, you see English. If you look at job descriptions, almost every company asks for good English skills. But the real reason English is important is not only jobs. The real reason is opportunity. English gives you more opportunities, more information, more knowledge, more confidence, and more connection with people across the world. When your English becomes effective, your life becomes easier. You can express your ideas clearly. You can understand important information. You can communicate in a simple and confident way. Effective English is not only about speaking fast. It is also about speaking clearly. Even if you speak slowly, if your message is clear, you are an effective English speaker. Part 2. The biggest mistake learners make. The biggest mistake English learners make is trying to learn everything at the same time. They jump from grammar to vocabulary to accent to writing. Because of this, the mind becomes confused and learning becomes stressful. English learning becomes effective only when you follow one single rule. A small step every day. You do not need to study 3 hours a day. You only need 20 minutes daily, but consistently. Daily English practice builds natural fluency. The brain loves repetition. When you listen to simple English regularly, your ears get used to the language. When you speak a little every day, your tongue becomes flexible. When you read daily, your vocabulary grows without pressure. Learning English is like learning to swim. You cannot learn by reading a book. You learn by doing small practice every day. Part 3. Develop effective listening. Listening is the foundation of all language learning. If you want effective English, start with listening. Why listening helps you? Because the brain learns language through the ear first. Babies learn by listening for months before they speak. You too can use the same method. How to practice listening effectively? Listen to slow English content. Repeat what you hear. Do not try to understand every word. Focus on natural pronunciation. Listen daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Even if you do not understand fully, the sound patterns enter your mind. Over time, your brain starts recognizing words automatically. What to listen to? English stories, English conversations, motivational speech in simple English. English learning podcasts, simple YouTube English videos. Your listening ability will improve naturally and your speaking will follow. Part 4. Develop effective speaking. Speaking is the skill most people want but fear the most. The fear of making mistakes is the biggest block. But remember this: no one becomes fluent without making mistakes. Mistakes are not a problem, mistakes are necessary. They show that you are learning. Every time you speak, you are training your mouth and your brain. How to practice speaking for real improvement? You do not need a partner to speak English. You can speak alone by using simple methods. 1. Mirror method. Stand in front of a mirror and speak for 2 minutes. Talk about your day, your routine, your plans, or anything. 2. Shadowing method. Play a short English audio and speak with it at the same time. Copy the tone, speed, and style. 3. Thinking in English. Start thinking small sentences in English. I am washing my hands. I am going to the market. Today I feel good. I finished my work. Thinking in English is a powerful method because it trains your brain to use English automatically. Part 5. Effective vocabulary building. Vocabulary is like fuel for your English. You do not need 10,000 words. You only need the right 100 words. How to build vocabulary effectively? Learn words through sentences. Use the new word 3 times in one day. Do not memorize long lists. For example, word achieve. Sentence: I want to achieve my goals. Another sentence: hard work helps you achieve success. The more you use a word, the more permanent it becomes. Part 6. Simple grammar for effective English. You do not need advanced grammar to speak effectively. You only need basic grammar. Most English conversations use simple tenses like present simple, past simple, future simple, present continuous. If your basics are strong, your English becomes clear and smooth. And when clarity increases, confidence increases. Part 7. Develop reading skills. Reading helps you understand sentence structure. It also teaches you natural English patterns. How to practice reading. Read short stories, read simple articles, read motivational content. Read English subtitles while watching videos. Read for 10 minutes daily. This habit will improve your grammar, vocabulary, and writing. Part 8. Develop writing skills. Writing helps your mind recognize English. It makes your sentences stronger and more correct. Simple writing practice. Write 5 sentences about your day. Write your goals. Write an English diary. Write small stories. Writing every day, even for 5 minutes, creates hug improvement. Part 9. Build confidence. Confidence is the heart of effective English. You might have good vocabulary and grammar, but without confidence you hesitate. How to build confidence? Celebrate your progresses. Speak even if you are wrong. Compare yourself only with your past. Compare yourself only with your past. Believe that fluency will come slowly. Confidence grows with practice, not perfection. Part 10. Your 30-day plan for effective English. Here is a simple routine to follow daily. Day 1 to day 30 daily routine. 10 minute listening, 10 minute speaking, 10 minute reading, 5 minute writing. Only 35 minutes a day. If you follow this for 30 days, your English will improve more than years of memorizing grammar. Part 11. The mindset for first improvement. Your mindset decides your progresses. You must remember 3 things. English is simple. English is a skill, not a subject. Daily practice is more powerful than long study sessions. When your mindset becomes positive, learning becomes enjoyable, and when you enjoy English, improvement becomes natural. Part 12. Final motivation ending. You can achieve effective English. You have everything needed: your brain, your voice, and your courage. English is not only for intelligent people. English is for everyone who practice daily. You are not late. You are not weak. You are not behind. You are just beginning, and beginnings are always powerful. Start today, practice today, speak today, because your future self is waiting for you. With confidence, with better communication, and with effective English that opens new doors in your life. Remember, small steps every day create big results. Keep going, keep learning, and soon you will speak English confidently and effectively. So friends, if you like the video even a little bit, then do like and subscribe so that I can keep bringing similar videos for you. Thank you friends.